Apple just made a move that could completely destroy OpenAI, Google, and every other AI company in the market, and they did it by partnering with Anthropic, OpenAI's biggest rival. This isn't just another tech partnership, this is a strategic nuclear strike that's about to reshape the entire AI industry. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this changes everything. So, here's what just happened. Apple, the company that builds everything in-house and rarely partners with external AI companies, just announced they're embedding Anthropic's Claude AI directly into Xcode. Now, if you don't know what Xcode is, it's Apple's main software development platform. Every single iPhone app, iPad app, and Mac application gets built using Xcode. We're talking about millions of developers worldwide using this tool every single day. But here's where it gets interesting. Apple's previous attempt at AI coding assistance was an absolute disaster. Their tool called Swift Assist was so bad that it actually generated hallucinated code, meaning it would create code that looked real but didn't actually work. Developers were spending more time fixing AI mistakes than they were saving. It was such a failure that engineers completely abandoned it. So why would Apple bet on AI coding again? And why would they partner with an external company when they usually build everything themselves? The answer reveals Apple's true strategy, and it's absolutely brilliant. This isn't about catching up to competitors. This is about something much more valuable: complete ecosystem control. Here's what Claude will actually do in Xcode. It won't just complete your code snippets like other AI tools, it will write entire functions, debug complex problems, and even test user interfaces automatically. Developers can literally ask Claude, "Build me a login screen," and watch it create the code in real time. But here's the genius part. By embedding Claude into Xcode, Apple ensures that the next wave of AI-powered apps gets built exclusively on iOS. Think about it. When millions of developers start using Claude-powered Xcode, they become completely dependent on Apple's tools. This creates what industry insiders call the platform prison effect. Once developers build their entire workflow around AI-powered tools, switching platforms becomes nearly impossible. Their muscle memory, their projects, their productivity, everything depends on that specific environment. And the numbers prove why this matters. AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot already boost developer productivity by up to 45%. Apple risked losing their entire developer ecosystem if they fell behind in this race. But now, they're not just catching up, they're creating a trap that locks developers into their ecosystem forever. Now, you might be wondering, why would Anthropic agree to this? What's in it for them? The answer is massive. First, Anthropic's code will now be at the heart of the world's most popular development platform, giving them exposure to millions of users and developers instantly. But more importantly, they get access to millions of real coding sessions. This creates the ultimate feedback loop for AI improvement. More developers using Claude means better training data. Better training data means superior AI capabilities. Superior capabilities attract more enterprise partnerships. It's a data goldmine that will make Claude exponentially smarter than its competitors. And this reveals something huge that's happening right now across the entire tech industry. We're witnessing the birth of what I'm calling the AI partnership era. Apple isn't just partnering with Anthropic, they're also working with OpenAI for ChatGPT integration, potentially bringing in Google's Gemini, and now Anthropic for coding. The winners in this new era won't be the companies that build the best AI models. They'll be the companies that integrate AI the best into existing workflows. This is a complete shift in strategy. Instead of trying to build everything from scratch, tech giants are now cherry-picking the best AI models for specific use cases and integrating them into their platforms. But here's what this means for everyone else, and this is crucial. This partnership accelerates AI development like we've never seen before. We're already watching AI models outcompete experienced professionals in multiple industries. Jobs are being replaced, entire workflows are being automated, and anyone can now build a business, write complex code, or develop products without traditional expertise. When everyone has access to the same powerful AI tools, one thing becomes infinitely more valuable: authentic human value.
Look at the most successful people right now. Joe Rogan could easily be replaced by AI-generated video content, but his fans crave real human insights and genuine connection. Elon Musk is literally building AI companies, but he's also investing heavily in his personal brand to separate himself from the flood of generic AI content. The smartest founders and creators are building personal brands right now, before the AI boom completely saturates every industry. But let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture here. This Apple-Anthropic partnership is just the beginning. We're about to see a wave of similar partnerships as every major tech company scrambles to integrate the best AI capabilities into their platforms. The companies that win will be the ones that can move fast, make strategic partnerships, and create the strongest developer lock-in effects. For OpenAI, this has to be terrifying. Apple was one of their biggest potential partners, and now they're working directly with Anthropic for one of the most important use cases, coding assistance. Google is probably scrambling right now to secure their own partnerships before they get completely shut out of key platforms.